Today is gonna be an eventful day. Gonna go to the Acura, pick up the brake booster, rear main seal, throwout bearing, and the brake booster hose. The back seat of my car, I also have the clutch assembly, flywheel, all them fun stuff. I'm gonna try to get it all installed today. If not, I'll just install the compliant bushing, which I also have, and just do the compliant bushings with the booster and the master and leave the car at my shop for a couple of days until I get the clutch done. But that's probably going to be a separate video on its own, because I can tell it's going to be a long video. But today I really need to get those readiness set. So let's get to it. What's going on, you guys? So during that day of me recording that video, I was functioning on 2 hours sleep, and when I got to my workplace, my manager actually needed me, so I ended up working throughout the whole day. At that point, I didn't really have enough time to work on the car unless I stayed back, which I did. I ended up staying back to after work and just trying to do things. At that point, I was very tired, and I didn't realize how tired I looked until I started editing, which is right now. So just bear with me on that face, that tired face. And another thing was, I tried to record everything, but those footage were gone for some reason. I had a different, basically almost everything that almost 2/3 of that video is gone. So at least I still kept I still had some of the progress, basically, but from throughout those progress, I didn't really have those videos anymore. But I still wish you guys enjoyed that video, so let's get back to it. Okay, there was a little complications. I got the everything's going on smooth right now. I got the low control arms out. I was able to press the compliant bushings in. Got the old one out, but guess what? Apparently, the trailing arms, or they're supposed to have the these bearings with it as well. I didn't know that, and I already went in and installed it. So now my car's stuck on the lift. Yay. Now I'm kind of screwed. Really don't know what else to do besides pressing them back out and pressing the old one back in. These are the Ford one. That's a trailer one. This is the Ford one right here. So yeah, they're pretty torn to shit. So yeah, but they were like that before I even pressed them. So yeah, let me see if I can a message. Hilto, I leave him a message. They didn't pick up my call. I left them a text. I'm just waiting for them to text. Oh man. But at least I can knock out the booster and the master, and we'll see what's up. All right. Okay, updates. They are shipping it out to me. I just messaged Hilto, and they're able to ship it out to me. It should get to my house in 2 days. So shout out to them for helping me out. They really saved my ass with this. No hate, mistake happens. So I'm just gonna focus the task at hand and do the most I can today, and knock as much out as possible until 2 days, and then I'll just hop back onto that. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably the brake booster and the master cylinder. All right, got the new booster and the new master cylinder in. I got my little buddy right there helping me. He's gonna bleed it. He's gonna sit in there while I try to bleed the brakes. It's getting late, so if we forget this, knock this shit out. Get this way. Ah, kill you, dude. All right, got all the motor mounts out. or unbolted at least. All the subframe bolts are loose enough, getting ready to drop the subframe. Okay, and the only thing holding it on right now is one more power steering line. I'm just gonna let it drain. I might as well just do a flush the power steering out, and find the other side and undo it. It's behind the heat treat, behind the exhaust. We'll figure it out. All right, we dropped the subframe with the rack and pinion. Steering is locked, I hope so. Okay, that's good. Okay. Subframe's out of the way. Put every bolt back because I'm gonna take my time with this, so I'm not gonna remember in like a couple of days. So I decided to put all the bolts back. Got a lot more room now. Okay. You want to call it a day or what? Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Right, buddy? Right, Jane? Call it a night. So I got the shifter linkage out. Everything's disconnected from the top. Batteries out. Intake's out. Everything's out except for the CV axle and that one motor mount right there. After that, transmission's ready to come down. I want to do the clutch, and hopefully I don't run into any issues, but so far everything's going smooth. Yes sir. I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe for part 2. Give me a like. Thank you guys. Have a good one.